Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this brilliant 1953 Chevrolet 6100 truck that you can see lurking behind me here. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video. Hope you like them. Right, quick video of start up and idling on this Chevrolet. Switch it on. Press the floor start. And there she goes. Just idles nicely. Does what it should. Now we'll show you under the bonnet. Straight six engine here, just idling away nicely. No signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. Doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Very smooth. There we go. Next up, driving. Okay, here we are out for a little trundle in the 1953 Chevrolet 6100. Very bumpy road this, and obviously leaf springs, it does bounce about a little bit. It trundles down the road quite happily. Straight six engine, straight six petrol engine, 4-speed gearbox on this gearbox, and a 2-speed rear axle. It's bumpy as a Land Rover. But enormous fun, it really is. I'm getting so many looks. It's showing just under 70,000 miles, but the speedo seems to have stopped working, so the odometer will have done as well. Ammeter's working, oil pressure gauge is working, showing good pressure. Temperature gauge, not sure. And fuel gauge doesn't, but as I say, you can dip the tank. It stops nicely. Steering's very vague, as you'd expect. But what a great bit of kit. Steering wheel slightly off to the left. Gearbox is nice on it. There's no synchro on first or second, which is normal. Probably rides a bit better with a heavy load on it, actually, on the back. Get out of the way. This one's got indicators, so we'll just pop them on. It actually stops really well. Obviously drums all round. But there we go, there we have it. What fun.